Welcome back to Two Spanners. Today we're just going to do a tutorial on removing this Golf rear bumper, which is quite simple really, so you can do it at home. Tools you're going to need, these are just torque bits, but I've just got a case, it's Blue Point case. You're going to need a T25 and a T10. Got a little ratchet to put them in, a trim tool, and I'm just using a long screwdriver to make it a little bit easier to get one of the awkward Torx 25s out. So, down the side here there's 1, 2, and then there's one up here, 3. And then there is a screw going up here at this angle. So we're going to remove them first on both sides. Right, that's the 3 out the wing liner. Then we pull back the wing liner a little bit. I'm gonna try. So that's what you're taking out. Right, that's them all out. There's 2 plastic clips underneath which you need a T10 for. You screw the middles out and then you use your trim tool or flat bladed screwdriver to pop them out, which I'll show now. So just unscrew the middle as far as it'll come. There we go. Same again on this one. There's only 2 on this Golf bumper. Sometimes you might find 4 or even 6 of these little square pegs underneath. So just be careful to look on the corners as well. There we go. So they're out. Right, I like to remove the lamps on these just because there's plastic clips. These are literally just thumb screws on the back. They're not too hard to get off. So I'm going to take them out quickly. And then you can use the trim tool when you pull it to push the tabs down, which will release the bumper a little bit easier without snapping them all. So we're going to get on with that now. Right, to get this corner off, you literally just put your hand here, pull it. If it's really tight, you'll be able to see some little plastic pegs in here. Just push them down. Same on top. This is just so you don't break. That's the reason it's at the lamp out. And this one lifts up. There we go. Same the other side, and then you're off. So the bumper's off. I've just realised there's 2 screws missing out of this bumper, which I'm going to have to find 2 and put in. Just here, they come off the wing liner. There's the hole. So someone's had this bumper off before and not put the screws in. So just remember when you're doing this, you need to remove them 2 screws as well. They're just Torx 25s. But I thought I should just mention that as they weren't put in here, so I don't know why. Like I say, it's probably been off before and someone's done some work on it. There is one last thing, which is a plug just here, which is being broke off and cable tied up. I've just done cable tied it. To release this plug, you need a flat bladed screwdriver or trim tool. You put it in the little hole here, lean it back, it'll clip up, and then it should just pull off. There we go. That's your Golf bumper off, so you can do that at home whenever you feel like it. If you want to put a new bottom splitter on it, or you just want to take it off to get it painted and save some money, you now know how. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you later.